Hey friends, greetings from Taste and Review. Today I have got something that make you say goodbye to the cold meals forever. Meet the BULAGE Electric Warming Plate, your ultimate kitchen companion. Let's unbox this one and I will show you how it works and the overall performance of this device. So inside the box, you will get this warming plate itself. It feels premium silicone, flexible, and you can see already here. That is the tie. Also, here is the power cord, good length, particularly for the kitchen setup, the user manual. So right away, I'm loving this rollable design. It's super easy to store, especially if your kitchen cabinet space is already packed. So let's talk about the product design and the features. Now, why this product caught my attention? The first thing is it heats up within 10 seconds as it built with the graphene heat transfer technology. Your dishes will be evenly heated almost instantly. No waiting around when you are hurry or guests are waiting on the table. And the second thing is, if I connect this one, you can see this temperature is 50 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius heated up, which is perfect for everything, for gently pastries to keeping pizza crispy, or even making sure your soup stay nice and hot. And the third thing is it has a timer function. Here is the timer function. This timer function really game changer, because up to 4 hours this automatically switched it off, so you don't need to think whether you switched it off or not. And the fourth part is it's super versatile. You can use any cookware like ceramic, glass, metal. It handles it all with no restrictions. Yep. And they have also mentioned here some cautions, you can see. And lastly, it's really easy to clean up, splash proof, stain resistant, and just wipe clean. So you can see I'm moving my hand on top of it. It's really very comfortable and very smooth. Plus, this silicone surface prevents slipping or offers great insulation, so there is a less chance to fall it down your cooking jar. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this warming pad. Number one, pros is like super fast heating technology, versatile temperature and timing setting, foldable design, compatible with any cookware, easy to clean, build the high quality materials. And the cons, I would say the size. So the size is 60 centimeter. So if is it bit longer, then you could even more pot. So I tested this warming pad, performed really perfect. I checked, food are really great on all the food. I just cooked the food and then I immediately kept on the top of this tray, and it's still like it's steaming. It's really works perfect. Now the question is, should you grab this BULAGE Electric Warming Plate? Well, if you want fast heating and easy storage and very nice quality materials, then I would say this will be the game changer in your kitchen. You don't need to heat your food in the microwave, or don't need to keep your food in the bake oven. Just cook the food, keep on the tray, and then serve the food to your guest. If you enjoy this video, smash the like button. It really helps this channel. And hey, if you are new here, consider subscribing, hitting the bell icon so you will not miss future gadgets reviews. So until next time, stay warm and stay awesome. Have fun. Bye bye.